Hello everyone. Today I'm just showing you the difference between graphical user interface and command user interface, and what you see on the screen is a Windows desktop. This is a Microsoft Windows version 11 installed here, and you can see that Windows is called as graphical user interface because what you see here are graphical icons. These are all icons, like this is Google Chrome, this is Microsoft Edge, and then these all yellow are the folders, and this is a PDF file, this is the symbol for this PC, and these are different files that you can see. This is a Microsoft Word file, this is VLC player, and this is again a PDF, and this is a folder. This one is a notepad file, NF. This one is also a notepad file. So the Windows is so easy because it has icons. This is the WhatsApp icon for the shortcut of WhatsApp. So all these are icons which are given by the Windows. Windows is very user friendly and it has graphical user interface, which means user can interact with the computer on the basis of the folders and icons, on the basis of the icons that it has. And the functionality is very easy with Windows because of these icons. For example, I want to create copy of F1, so I just right click and I click copy, and again I right click and I click paste. Alright, similarly, if I want to create a copy of, say, the folder or any file, so let's say if I have this file NF, I create the copy of NF, and when I create the copy of NF, that copy will be created with a matter of clicks. I just right click and again I click on copy, and again I right click and I click on paste. The moment I press paste, see, the copy of NF is formed here, NF copy. So the second one that you see is the copy which is created automatically. This one I had created earlier, but this is the copy that is created right now. So I click in this and it says NF copy and it says hello. Can you see that? Now what will I do? I will show you how the same procedure can be done without icons. So for that, I am closing this text file and I am going to this search button, and I'm pressing CMD, and when I press type CMD, it will give me the command prompt. So I have to give commands to the command prompt to get any function that I want to perform. For example, I want to go to desktop, so I will type cd desktop. So when I give cd desktop, I get into desktop. Now I want to create a file. Let's say the name of my file is frachna. Okay, so for creating that file, I am typing echo echo, and I just give hello because I want to type hello in that file, and I press the right angle, which is right greater than symbol, and now I give the name of my file frachna because this is Rachna's file. So frachna.txt because it is a text file. Enter. Now I want to see the contents that I have put in this file. So I'll give type frachna. So what will happen? It will not show me the content because I have not specified the type of the file properly. So again I have to write type frachna.txt because my file is text file. Now I press enter. Can you see hello? So it is showing that frachna file has hello. Now let's see. I just minimize it and let's see whether this file is created through our commands or not. Voila, let's find out. Yes, we have a file called frachna. Now I click it and I can see hello here. I typed it through the command and this file is created here. Now I want to create a copy of it. If it is Windows, I will right click copy and right click paste and the file will be copied. But I am using commands. So DOS system, disk operating system जो पहले होता था, this has the command prompt through where I will give the commands and the function will be performed. Now I will write copy, the name of the file that I want to copy, frachna, and then txt, and then I give let's say copied. I want to create a copied file. So copied file, okay, I'm giving this name to copied file .txt. Now again it will not run because I'm not giving a correct command. I need to learn the commands. So copy, I have to give proper name of my file, frachna, and then .txt is the extension for text file. I'll give its extension. Then I will write down copied file, which is the name that I am giving to the copied file, and then .txt. Now when I press enter, it says one file copied. What is the name of my file? Copied file. So to see the content, I'm giving type and I give the name of my copied file, which is copied file.txt. So copied file.txt, enter. So what will happen? It will again give me hello. Can you see that? So what is happening here? I have one hello over there and one hello over here. So what is actually happening? The keyword which was displayed in the first text file got copied in this second text file. Now let me see whether this is formed in the desktop or not. So let's see, do I have a copied file? Yes, I created this through the command. Now I double click and the file will open. The name of the file is here, copied file, and the content is here, which is hello. So to perform the same function, I had to give so many commands in the DOS operating system, which is command user interface. Whereas in this operating system, I just have to right click. Suppose I have to copy this, or if I have to copy this, so I have to right click, I have to just click copy, and I have to just click paste. So do you understand why Windows is so easy and preferred operating system? Because it makes users life so easy. So we have my first book folder ka copy here, and this is my first book as the folder where it is the original file and this one is the copied file. So how we got it? Because we have Windows, it is easy for icons to just drag, drop, right click, etc. and our tasks are done. Whereas if I talk about MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, it was non-graphical. There were no graphics, no icons. It was line oriented. We had to type line by line, and it was command driven. We had to give command for everything that we have to do, and I had to learn those commands. If I do not learn those commands, my command will not run. And to run them, it will run one application at a time. But in Windows, I can cut, copy, paste my commands. I can listen to the music in the background. I can do some search in the browser. Everything is possible in one go, which is not possible in case I am doing things on DOS, which was the earlier traditional operating system. So hope you understood the main difference between DOS and Windows, that Windows is graphical user interface, whereas the DOS was command user interface. It was a command driven operating system. Thank you.